Hello, everyone. Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on how to publish to Kobo.com. Okay, so some of you may know of Kobo.com. It's also affiliated with Chapters in Indigo. And so here you just go to create new book and then put in your title. I just usually copy and paste that. Then that way you don't get anything wrong. And then mine does have a subtitle. Okay, there were some spaces there in the way I formatted it on the document, and there'll be a tutorial coming up on formatting as well. And you want to make sure that your name as an author is the same as it would be in the interior of the book. And then no, this is not my first time publishing this book because well, technically, because it's in the process of review, but it'll most likely be published on Amazon. EISBN, I don't worry about. Primary print ISBN, I don't worry about. No, it's not in the public domain. You want to make sure that when it's not, that you don't put that, because then that means anybody can take it and use it. So, so I'm just writing the synopsis here. Okay. And here you can now upload a cover that you designed. Okay. Okay, could not upload cover image. Try again. Okay, JPEG limited to 5 megabytes. Okay, let's see if I can do a different one. Okay, again, it wouldn't upload. I'm not too sure why that's, or ping files, 5 megabytes. I think I may know why that's an issue. Okay, I'm going to see if, okay, what can I do about that? Okay, so let's see, a cover image, cover image. Okay, so I wanted to do a tutorial on this as well, but I'm just going to be really fast and do this. Okay. And I'll do a different tutorial about this as well. But no, actually, that's not what I really wanted. I'm just going to go to Pixabay, which is a really good site for getting free images, and choose something. Okay, just put in here store. Okay, this is a nice one. Okay, save image as. Okay, so that's now there, but go to Be Funky and open up this. Okay, and then add some text to it. Okay, add some text to it. Okay. And I'm going to do a separate tutorial on this actually. Because I know I'm going quite fast here. Pixels to about 40. even less. Let's try 30. That's a bit too small. Let's try 35. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay. There. And I know you can't really see that, so I'll get into this in a Be Funky tutorial. You can change the color of it and even bold that so it's up. Okay, you just go Control Z and you can get it back to where it was before. Okay, and I want to bold that so it's a bit more noticeable. And get to this part. Okay, so I want to put that where it's more noticeable. Okay, and then save that. And I know I was doing that all fast, but don't worry, we'll be getting back to Kobo in just a moment. Okay. All right, so now we're back to Kobo. Okay, all right. So I was here, I was having issues with the cover design, and now I'm going to upload this cover. Okay, great. Okay, and edit the categories. This is nonfiction, and I'll put it general, and let's see what's under reference. No, it wouldn't fall under reference here. Where else would it fall? You have to choose 2 categories. Do they have shopping? It's not education and training. What else can I put it in? Maybe business and finance. Okay, let's see what they've got. I guess marketing and sales, why not? Okay, I'll put it marketing and sales, advertising and promotion. Okay. All right. And let's see. Okay, so is everything there? Okay, save and continue. Okay, then you want to upload a doc file or an EPUB or whatever you've got going on there. Okay, so the last time I did this was 9:33. So you want to look at the time to make sure you're uploading the latest document, and it'll take an EPUB, doc file, docx, and as well as a MOBI and an ODT. So for open source documents. And MOBI is something I actually just learned about this year. So yeah, everything's fine with it. And then go next. And yes, I agree with applying digital rights management. And I do agree with Kobo Plus subscription. And I do agree with making it available to libraries. You want to make sure you price it a little bit higher for libraries because you really have to for it to work. And then I'll price it at $3.99, which is also how I'm pricing it on other sites. Oh, sorry, there was a minus I put there. Okay. All right, and just double checking. And I wanted to make sure I did this Kobo one soon because their office is going to be closed on the 19th. So I wanted to make sure I did it soon. Like most of these places, they do work on the weekends as well. So then now I can just click on publish ebook, and it says it takes from 24 to 72 hours, and that is true. So in general, I find if it's approved, it takes about 24 hours. So since I've been on Kobo for quite some time, I can't remember exactly when I joined, but I've been on it for quite some time. So, okay, happy writing, everyone. Kobo is a great place for particularly those people in the Commonwealth, but there's no reason why more Americans couldn't start getting in on Kobo as another distribution channel for their self-publishing ventures. And yeah, happy writing and happy self-publishing.